Hey, today, as you know by the title, we'll be testing out my airsoft kit's camouflage. I don't have all the elements of it today, but the camouflage bits we do have. Top half of the BDU, helmet, and the schmoog. So, we're going to test it in a pine area in a spring environment. Some mud in for a little bit more camouflage. Alright, well, besides the shine from my helmet, camouflage did pretty well. Definitely think the M81 is a go-to BDU for a forest similar to this. The M81 camouflage pattern is honestly the multi-cam of forests. It works in almost all forest environments. And I think if you're considering what BDU to get for airsoft, definitely go with M81. I don't know if you guys care, but in Colorado it's pretty dry and you never really see these guys around till right in the heart of spring. Never seen one so colorful. They're always kind of gray and dull, but wow. Right now, the amount of rain Colorado's gotten, it's colors everywhere. Someone was having a fire right here a while ago. A good example of how much rain Colorado's gotten. I think I've seen water here twice, and I've been coming down here about 5 years now. Guess this gives me a chance to wash my face paint off. Shit, I just got water all over my phone. 1 sec. Good to go. Alright guys, that concludes this video. I hope you found it useful. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, that's it.